Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you struggling to catch breakouts in the Forex market? Looking for a reliable tool to identify support and resistance levels with precise buy and sell signals? Well, you don't have to look much further because in this video, we are going to be looking at the support and resistance breakout arrows indicator for MT4. It's quite an effective tool for breakout traders and even trend followers alike. Okay, so I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now, the support and resistance breakout arrows indicator. All right, so this is the indicator. Now, this indicator is designed to make Forex trading more straightforward and accurate. It uses a combination of Fractal, CCI, and RSI indicators to generate high probability trading signals. Okay, as you can see on the chart, buy signals are marked by blue arrows, all right, while sell signals are marked as these magenta arrows. Magenta arrows pointing downwards above the candlestick give you sell signals. Blue arrows pointing upward below the candlesticks give you buy signals. Okay, then as you would have noticed already, support levels are automatically drawn in blue. These blue kind of like diamonds, on a horizontal plane, they indicate support levels, while the red indicates resistance levels. Okay, so this means that traders can instantly spot key market levels and plan their trades with confidence. Now let us break down how to use this indicator for maximum trading efficiency. For buy trades, just wait for a blue arrow to appear. Okay, once you get your confirmation, please try and get a confirmation first. The confirmation could be a candlestick pattern, could be indicators like moving averages, RSI, any indicator of your choice, but just try to get a confirmation first. Okay, once you get a confirmation, then you can enter a buy position. All right, if multiple buy arrows appear during a trend, traders can actually add more positions if your account balance is going to permit that, and if your strategy is going to permit that. Okay, for example, there could be a scenario whereby you have a strong trend, right? You have a strong trend, and the indicator continues to give you buy opportunities. For example, this is a trending market, and you can see that the trend was quite strong. It lasted for quite a long while. So the indicator gave you a buy signal here, give you another buy signal, give you another buy, another buy, another buy, another buy, and so on. Now, I would recommend that you only enter buy trades in a bullish trend and only enter sell trades in a bullish trend, because sometimes the indicator might actually give you a sell trend in a bullish trend, but that sell is just a pullback. So by the time the indicator is giving you the sell signal, you can see the pullback has already started. When you enter, maybe that's when the pullback is about to end. So there is no need trading against the trend. Okay, just focus on trading in the direction of the trend to be on the safer side. All right, then you can exit your buy trades when you know, if you are a scalper, you can decide to be exiting at each appearance of the magenta arrows if you're a scalper. But if you're not a scalper, you can just decide to use market structure. Okay, but this one is likely going to be for those who understand market structure. When you notice a break in structure, maybe price has been making higher highs and higher lows, and then suddenly price just made a lower high, Once that happens, just exit your buy trade. Okay, if you're an intraday trader or a swing trader, once you notice a change in structure, just exit your buy trade. All right, then the opposite is the case for a sell. You look for a magenta arrow, right? On the chart, it has to be above the candlestick, and then you can enter your sell position once you have gotten your confirmations. Okay, like I said, confirmation is very important, so try to get a confirmation first. So after you enter your sell trade, you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then for take profit, you can decide to use, support levels. So maybe when you have a break of structure, change in market structure, change of character, right? Maybe you're having lower highs and lower lows, and then suddenly you have a higher low or higher high. You can decide to exit your sell, or if you're a scalper, you can decide to be exiting your sell at each appearance of the blue arrow. Okay, then when a magenta arrow appears again, you enter another sell. When a blue appears, you exit your sell. When a magenta appears again, you enter another sell, and so on and so forth if you're a scalper. Okay, now what is the best part? This indicator is probably believed not to repaint, but well, I guess if you practice with the indicator and you consistently practice for a while, you will know if it actually repaints or not, and if it suits your trading style. Okay, but the indicator looks quite effective, and if really it does not repaint, then it can be a really valuable addition to your trading toolkit. I noticed something which might want to make me believe that it might not exactly be repainting, because normally indicators that repaint make it look like they are perfect. Yeah, but I noticed that this indicator did not make it look like it's perfect. Imagine here, it gave you a sell signal. This was obviously a failed signal. The signal failed. But if it's an indicator that repaints, I'm not guaranteeing that it does not repaint, right? I'm just based on my analysis. This is an observation, right? This is just an observation. So if it's an indicator that repaints, it might remove this signal. It might place it somewhere that makes it look like it's perfect, right? Okay, I think I saw a few examples where, okay, look at this other one now. This was a sell signal. They did not, the indicator did not carry the arrow and put here, because this would have been a perfect spot to put a sell. But instead, it gave the signal here, maybe because there is a strategy that the indicator uses to give it signals. Possibly, it could be that there was, because of this change of character, it could be that there was something that happened that now made the indicator to give a sell around here, unless it could have given the sell right on top of here. So this is just one of the things that make it look like it actually does not repaint. Okay, but I'm not like guaranteeing anything, because of course no indicator gives you 100% accuracy. All right, so for those who love fine-tuning their strategy, this indicator allows traders to customize the settings. Okay, so you can actually customize the settings according to your taste. All right, you can maybe filter signals using CCI levels to eliminate weak trades, adjust RSI, overbought or oversold zones, to find optimal entry points. You can see there are some behind the scenes happening, right? So you can actually edit these settings according to your taste, and you can use the multi-time frame analysis to confirm signals across different time frames. So it works for both intraday traders and long-term traders, okay, making it an all-in-one tool for any strategy. This indicator is quite an effective indicator for Forex traders because it identifies support and resistance levels automatically. It generates good buy and sell signals. It works on all Forex pairs and time frames, and well, it's believed not to repaint. Okay, so at least to an extent, the signals can be quite reliable. Advanced traders can combine this indicator with other strategies for even greater accuracy. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this indicator can help you navigate the Forex market with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification so that you do not miss an update on powerful Forex indicators and trading strategies. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Let's build a strong trading community together. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.